Rise and shine. Good to go.
The next day.
What a beautiful day. Hell is going on? It's fine. Be fine tomorrow.
So he's dead. But let's see what would have happened if he had LightCare.
How are we today, Mira?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing fine myself. You want to tell me about myself?
Visual analysis indicates mild, dark pigmentation under the eyes. Further, skin hydration levels appear slightly below optimal range.
Okay then, do you have any advice for me?
My advice for you would be to sleep more.
And before I go, what's the weather like today?
The weather today is partly cloudy and there is a 10% chance of rain.
Alright, thank you. See you later.
Have a productive day.
I'm Aiden, one of the people behind LightCare, and I'm here to take you through more information about what LightCare does. Now, I'm going to pass it on to myself to show you the insides of what the mirror looks like. Currently, we're using a second-hand monitor to reduce cost per unit, and attached to the monitor is a speaker, a microphone, and a Raspberry Pi. This Raspberry Pi is the main brains of the computer using RPPG technology, and attached to the Raspberry Pi is the Pi camera, which helps with detecting the face. Now, time to dive into the three main parts of LightCare. I'm going to pass it to Oyen to talk about computer vision and RPPG.
The software behind LightCare works as a multimodal pipeline where the same video feed from the webcam is processed through different specialized engines at the same time to extract different information. The first system the video feed is processed through is the engine that is able to measure the user's heart rate remotely. This system utilizes a technique called RPPG, which works by tracking the average color values on a region of interest over time, in our case, the forehead.
In order to clean up the signals, our code detrends it, flattening out slants in the signals caused by head movements or lighting changes, calculates a moving average, comparing each data point and averages it with the points next to it, and performs a frequency masking, blocking out signals that don't fall within the regular frequency of human heart rate. By doing this, it can isolate pulse frequencies in the color variation and calculate BPM.
While RPPG can technically work on most modern hardware, a baseline requirement is 1080p 30fps video. Furthermore, the video is also passed through a skin analysis engine. This system uses multiple object detection models to try to detect certain symptoms, such as dark circles, acne, spots, red eyes, etc. Frames from the video feed are taken at regular intervals, depending on the hardware it's running on, where it is sent to a back-end Python server. This web server uses YOLO segmentation models to confirm whether a face is in frame before running it through the models, avoiding wasting processing power on empty frames. If a face is found, the background server sends back a process image where the background is removed, preventing false positives in the detection process. This process image is then put through multiple object detection models to look for desired symptoms.
Thanks, guys. Now I'm going to talk about our application. You see, our app sends real-time notifications to the user's iPhone or Android to let them know any advice. For example, it might alert the user, hey, you should drink more water today. You look a bit dehydrated. Why choose us? Well, you see, our competitors only focus on the entertainment side, and their smart mirrors go up into the thousands of dollars. They focus on Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube, whereas we provide wellness insights. Because in this day and age, we say these things to ourselves. For example, oh, it's a little bump, it'll go away. It might be something big, right? Who knows? It might be cancer for all we know. So that's why having this little checkup every morning allows us to prevent chronic illnesses from going undiagnosed, catching them earlier, and possibly treating it. Market insights. Our primary target market is smart home and health-conscious users aged around 18 to 45 years old who are tech-savvy. Our secondary consumer markets are busy professionals and students who don't have that luxury of time to go to the doctors and check up. Instead, we, LightCare, allow for quick daily health and information feedback. This market is a growing market, growing at an annual rate of 16.8%. Our marketing strategies is to partner with existing smart home ecosystems like Google Home to integrate LightCare directly into platforms users already trust, while also working with hardware suppliers and licensed AI models to reduce development costs and time. On the left, you can see the cost per unit for LightCare. A 350 SGD equates to around $300, but if you look around the market price, it's around the same. Therefore, our plan is to build 1 to 5 prototypes through crowdfunding, and then after that, we will use these to prove to people that our mirror really works. And this might be able to help us get an angel investor or help us get venture capitalists to invest in us. After that, we will go into the scale-up and rollout phase, where we will receive pre-orders from consumers, allowing us to have the funds to purchase the raw materials to make these mirrors.
Remember, a brighter wellness is always with LightCare.